Good afternoon, everybody. CryptoStrang here. I've done videos before about MEXC. I thought I'd give an update. The exchange is making huge progress. It's obviously, we speak about a lot of different exchanges on this channel when there is so much competition out there. So they're all competing in this market, especially in a bear market like we're in at the moment. Okay. Now, with MEXC, with their plans, with their development, and what they actually offer on their exchange, on their dashboard, you can see why this is so highly thought of. Okay. He actually won the best crypto exchange in Asia at a Dubai conference last year. So again, it speaks volumes when people actually appreciate what they're doing. They've got over 2,000 trading pairs, 1,500 coins and tokens are listed on MEXC. It's got over 6 million users in 200 countries. I think what also sticks out is their fees, just 0.2% for spot, 0.02 for futures. So also don't have they basically don't have to have KYC. Okay, you do need KYC if you want to buy crypto directly with Fiat. Obviously, you can imagine that. But just depositing on there and trading, you don't need your KYC. So you can see on the dashboard on the screen, XE laid out all different sections on the top. I know we speak a lot different exchanges, but when you come across MEXC, you can see why it is so popular, the way it's laid out so easy. And it's another exchange we always spoke about listing those real low cap gems. Often when we speak about a low cap, it's always on MEXC. So it's great that they're sort of the forefront of listing these up and coming projects, getting in early. Now it states there, why choose MEXC? Safe and secure platform, industry leading security and financial stability, keeping your identity and funds safe and secure. It's important obviously, I think majority of exchanges, especially they don't hold them obviously easy access on cold wallets for obvious reasons, just a small percentage is available on the exchange. So we've got the fast crypto listing. We launched new and high quality crypto projects efficiently and good liquidity. So it's great to see. That's what I say. They're one of the forefront and listing the low caps. Now, wide crypto variety. They rank among top first tier exchanges, highest number of listed crypto. Now, you can see here on CoinMarketCap, volume in the last 24 hours, obviously absolutely huge, 1.6 billion. It's equivalent to over 77,000 Bitcoin. See the states on the screen there, launched in April 2018. MEXC is a centralized crypto exchange registered in Seychelles. Now it supports many different parts, so many coins, as I said earlier, but also just like the fact, when you scroll back here, you stay there, discover our products. They've got the spot, obviously, they've also got the futures, leverage ETFs, they've got everything you want for everyone involved, everything someone wants in crypto is on here, basically. Their app is absolutely fantastic. I use it all the time, very easy to use. It's better app than other exchanges apps. I must say, it really is so easy to use. I find it really helpful and just great. But there's obviously many parts to their social media. They're always offering bonuses, competitions. But you can see on their trading side now, as I say, scroll on the top. There's obviously a lot on here to cover. So I'll just cover it briefly and perhaps I'll do an update video soon on more in depth into certain parts of it. But you can see there obviously the trade, pretty much standard layout. But what I do like here is this section at the top here. You've got the different type of trade you want to do. The main trading, the ETF, innovation, assessment. You just scroll through, okay? And it's got there, when you hit the zones, you've got all the different parts you can do. So it sort of covers all areas of crypto if you want to do the trading. Obviously, it's laid out very easy to use. As I've always stated, if you just get involved with crypto, it's very hard to get started. Initially at the beginning, it's a bit of a minefield. But once you've done it, it's very easy. And I think MEXC have made it very straightforward to lay out. However, as usual, always say, if anyone need help, just email me, info@CryptoStrang.com, or my social media links below. Help any way I can. We can always do the FaceTime if you're basically struggling to get started on these exchanges. So also what I like is, I say, we look at the trade, you obviously got your spot, you got your margin. You know, people want to do that, maximize profit leverage. It's entirely up to you. Obviously, it's high risk, but some people love the fact, obviously, the high rewards. You also got the quantitative trading. Now, that is something that's really is in depth. That's really going to like the next level of trading. It's basically, there's many different sort of components which make up quantitative trading. You got your strategy, sort of identification, where you find a different strategy, explore an edge and decide on trading frequency. It's all about sort of manipulating the market to where you come up with your own solution, your own strategy. But there's many parts. There's also strategy back testing. I was reading about weeks ago about obtaining data, and you sort of analyze the strategy performance and move the different biases. And it's very in depth. It's very sort of, you've got to be really, really experienced trading to even sort of entertain getting with that. But however, they offer that opportunity on here, which is great. Now, also, always talk about this, the fact you can buy crypto direct on exchanges, obviously, it's actually extremely important. You can see there with the buy crypto, they offer many different formats to actually purchase crypto with Fiat. Obviously, you've got your debit credit card on the screen. You can imagine that. We've also got the global bank transfer, SWIFT, wire, etc. They also do fast and secure digital asset transactions, quick buy, sell, P2P trading, but third-party payments. Now, I've obviously spoke about Simplex and Baxa many times before. I've used them endless times before. Third-party payments, to say, but obviously it gives you a level of security using Simplex and banks. Me personally, I do like to do the direct. You take out the fees, so you see the screen there. Select your currency, and you've basically got there whatever you want to do, whatever your currency is. They offer so many different fiat currencies on there. Obviously, on GBP, so you select that and you can buy it. It's very easy to execute. Okay, now again, when you scroll through all the different parts of it, now the futures, as I say, probably have to do another video on these over time to sort of emphasize the different parts of this exchange. But the futures have got the futures overview, review our full range of crypto derivative tools. They've got perpetual futures we spoke about before. They've also got demo trading. This is really good. They offer this. Simulate real life future trading without risking real assets. This is basically where you can just play with trading. You're not using real funds. It just gives you that hint and sort of how you can work the market and come up with your own strategy. I think that's really good when Exchange does that, a demo trade. You also got a leaderboard, participate in daily, weekly ranking competition, get great rewards. Okay, now you can see also on the screen here, they've got on the dashboard, got copy trade, which again, very few exchanges offer that. I know I've covered one before, but not all cover that. And I say with what I find with MEXC, they've pretty much got everything covered. Okay, there's so much on it. Now, when you scroll through to the earn section, which is something that always excites me, I don't think you'll find an exchange with so much listed. Okay, and there's a lot here. You can see there the Kickstarter, vote for your favourite projects and receive rewards. Okay, trade mining, start trading to earn a slice of the prize pool. Get airdrops for holding MX and trading crypto. We'll talk about their token shortly, but again, I think that's got massive potential. But just hold your MX. I've got a nice bag of MX, and you get airdrops. Okay, now MX DeFi, mine rewards with your tokens. MX Zone privileges and rewards for MX token holders. The staking, which is obviously always something I absolutely adore on these exchanges. Assessment zone voting, vote for renewal and earn rewards. Slot auction, participate in DOT and KSM, Polkadot and Kusama, Parachain auctions and governance voting. We've even got ETH 2.0 staking. So they've also got this launch pad, provides users exclusive low cost opportunity to invest early in project tokens. We're talking about low cap gems. This is where they are. They're just literally starting on the exchange and getting early, get a nice bag. Obviously, you get them at a really great price. However, obviously, there is a lot of risk here because they are so low cap. There's no guarantees. But what I found is that you get really early with these projects, you can make some great profits. And you can see here, the past events people have done very well. They're pretty much all sold out. So it's great for a project if they do get on the MEXC launchpad. Now, I say about the MEX staking, you can see there you've got the flexible staking, obviously many projects, great APYs, but also got the locked. Okay, now this is obviously good. You can see DOT there, 5 to 8%. Hydra, that's a great little project that is. I must do a dedicated video on that one. Anyway, you've got 10 to 18%. Even got your old EOS, which I haven't spoken about for ages, even do staking of that. So there's many different parts of it, okay? So but when you sort of scroll through, there's just so much opportunity there. There really is. When you see an earn section, I know they pretty much all do that, but that's a lot within that section, okay? Now, again, what I also liked was we talked about them parachains. Dot slot auction is a parachain auction for the Polkadot ecosystem. On MEXC, you can use DOT to vote for Polkadot Parachain project you support. Now, they've got some real solid, now, and I've spoken about PDEX before, Polkadot, really good, but I've never really looked into UNQ or CTO. Now, they look really solid projects. I looked briefly into them the other day. They actually look really good. So you can basically vote for them. After voting, you'll be rewarded according to the project's official auction rules. So it's giving people an opportunity to get into these projects, understand it, and get a reward. Okay, now you can see the voters received. Okay, at the moment, CTO is doing absolutely fantastic. Okay, now I like the fact they're doing this. I think it gives it more, but also Kusama. Now, Kusama IMBU, which is again a project I've never heard of till I saw on here. So it's another one I'm currently looking into. So I think this is another opportunity on their site which gives you the opportunity to earn. We also spoke about in a bear market, you obviously want the passive income, the extra income coming in, because the market's quite stagnant, make your crypto assets work for you, and that's what it's all about. Okay, now also when you sign up to MEXC, now I do have a referral link below. I do appreciate everyone uses my link. I generally do. They're also doing some bonus at the moment. Deposit 300 Tether, get 5 USDT. Deposit 500, get 10. Deposit 2,000, get 20 USDT. Okay, so it's a great little thing they're doing. And I say with the referral link, I get a little bit of bonus as well, so I'd say I do appreciate that. But it's not just about the referral, but you don't have to use my link, as I always say. But please make sure you're on MEXC.com. Okay, so it's very important. There's plenty of phishing sites out there for all exchanges. Now, something that I think is absolutely wonderful, which I say very few exchanges do, is the copy trade. I know I showed this before on another exchange. This is really good as well. So I will be doing this again on this exchange. So again, perhaps I need to do an update video once I've done it, plus a follow-up with the results. Okay, but you can see here all the different people. Obviously, at the moment, we've got return on investment. You can hit top profit and loss. You can do the win rate. So it gives you all these opportunities. And this guy here, you can see here is absolutely fantastic win rate, return on investment. You see the percentages. So it's real solid. And again, it's the passive income. It's the easy money during these markets. I say. So I just think they give all these different traders. There you got next page. So these are like the top ones. But I say the return on investment, people might just be solely focused on. I'd say there's some real solid traders on here. Obviously, they get a percentage, so they do well as well. So also they become a trader if you're an experienced person as well. So also they've got many different other parts. Now, as I say, if you join up as an affiliate, what I've done, you get this, get a $25 BTC airdrop and entry into a $1,000 giveaway. Now, because I've signed up for the affiliate, I got accepted exclusive deposit campaign for me. You see there, CryptoStrang. During this event period, only users who register the MEXC through this unique page will be eligible for the bonus. So we've got 28 days left. So you can see there the campaign rewards, lifts it all through there. Now, obviously, I'll put a link below, say if you want to sign up using my link. But also, like, it's just the $1,000 giveaway there. Each eligible traders who qualify for bonus 2, which is the first trade will deposit at least $500, has a chance to win one of the 5 lucky draws worth $200 of BTC each. Okay, and it basically scrolls through there what you've got to do: sign up, net deposit, future trading volume, spot trading volume, campaign token airdrop. You then get that. So it all gives that, and eventually there will be 5 people who get $200. Okay, and it's great to see. Now, I say anyone want help, obviously just reach out to me. It's absolutely fine. But I appreciate they've accepted me as an affiliate. I just think it's an exchange with huge potential now. As I say, at the moment, the market is a little bit of movement, but it's only a matter of time till we get another bull market. And over time, it's obviously crypto's going to be absolutely huge. So at the moment, we're at another fantastic opportunity. It's not financial advice, but I believe we're in a wonderful place now to get some more crypto. Now, obviously, follow them on social media as well. MEXC, you can see there, over 580,000 followers. Now, they're constantly on Twitter, talk about projects with all-time highs, new project listings, competitions, and they do many tweets per day. Okay, so there's a lot of information on here. It states there, 40 Mafia Dogs NFT. You see there, $1,000 of MX. So you can create these competitions. So there's obviously a lot of giveaway here. The fact you could win the NFT is plus the MX giveaway is absolutely wonderful. But you can see there, and I just love the fact they're always on it. They seem to be on tweeting literally every hour, literally. So again, it's great to see someone so proactive and talking about, again, all the different projects listed on there. Now, I spoke about this token before, MX token, when I've covered the exchange many months ago. At the moment, $1.04, up nearly 6% the last 24 hours. December 21, it actually reached $3.70. Okay, now, at the moment, again, it's an Ethereum ERC20 token. Circulating supply, you can see at the moment, is 100 million. Total supply is 450 million. Volume in the last 24 hours, nearly $2.5 million. The market cap is just over 104 million. So again, to me, this is a real excellent opportunity. I say I've had a bag of MX token for a long while. We'll be getting ourselves some more. Currently ranked 188. That's really good for consider how much competition there is with exchange tokens. But also, they're doing a mass burn as well. Now, I found this absolutely fascinating when I read this on their support.mexc.com. It talks about all the burns they're doing. It talks about the second quarter. When they've done it, number of maintenance tokens burn in the second quarter was 3,876,000. Okay, now the new buy back and burn program will commit 40% of the MEXC platform profit to buy back and burn the MX token from the market quarterly, with the goal of maintaining a circulating supply of MX token at 100 million. So it looks like there'll only ever be 100 million. So gradually they're going to get the supply down to 100 million. So when you think at the moment we're only at $1.04, that is, for me, a wonderful price to get into. Okay, now again, it's entirely up to you, but I think this is really solid. So just want to give an overview of MEXC. There's obviously many articles to cover, many parts of their dashboard to go more in depth with, but I really do like this exchange. It's wonderful. I saw on multiple exchanges, but some really are above the rest, real high quality. So Thanks very much. As I say, anyone need help, don't hesitate to reach out, help any way I can. Thanks very much. Have a wonderful day. We'll chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.